Welcome to an exciting opportunity where innovation and unparalleled learning are built around you. Located in the heart of beautiful Tampa, Florida, the Emergency Medicine Residency Program at St. Joseph's Hospital, Maine is part of BayCare's health system, and it's where cutting-edge medicine meets compassionate care.
We've designed this new resident-centered program from the ground up to meet the evolving needs of emergency medicine now and into the future. We're here to empower aspiring emergency physicians like you with exceptional training and support. Our program cultivates a culture of excellence through lifelong education, innovation, and compassionate patient care.
By providing comprehensive education, immersive hands-on experience, and dedicated mentorship, we nurture confident, highly skilled professionals who are prepared to excel in diverse emergency environments and deliver exceptional patient-centered care.
Our program may be new, but our leadership team brings decades of experience in academic medicine. Many of us have held leadership positions in other well-established programs, and we've seen firsthand what works and what doesn't. We've taken the best practices from academic emergency medicine and blended them with innovative approaches tailored to meet the needs of a new generation of physicians.
Our commitment to you goes beyond your clinical proficiency. You'll build strong relationships with leadership, emergency medical services, and interdisciplinary teams.
In addition to gaining exceptional clinical skills, you'll also develop abilities in leadership, advocacy, and community engagement. You'll be prepared to make a positive impact on patient care and healthcare systems both locally and around the world. We push boundaries, celebrate diversity, and continually elevate the standard of emergency medical care.
One of the most exciting aspects of our residency program is the individualized mentorship we provide to every resident. From day one, you'll be paired with an experienced faculty mentor who will guide you through your training, both in and out of the clinical setting. You'll feel empowered to ask questions, seek guidance, and take on leadership roles as you develop your skills. Residency can be challenging, but we take pride in fostering an environment where you can thrive professionally and personally.
Whether you're taking a moment to enjoy our beautiful beaches, experiencing Tampa's diverse cultural scene, or engaging in wellness programs tailored for our residents, we make sure you have what you need to stay energized and focused.
In addition to a strong clinical foundation, we emphasize the importance of leadership and communication skills. We want you to grow as a clinician and as an emerging leader in emergency medicine. You'll leave here with the confidence to handle any emergency situation, whether you're working in a remote community hospital or a busy trauma center.
We emphasize practical hands-on learning. You gain exposure to various critical ill and injured patients in our emergency department. You'll be able to work in a state-of-the-art simulation center to practice high-risk, low-frequency cases in a safe and controlled environment, further enhancing your clinical readiness. We also incorporate innovative approaches like gamified didactic sessions, designed to make learning both engaging and competitive and help you retain vital information while enjoying the process.
Our curriculum is designed to provide you with the comprehensive knowledge and skills that you need to succeed. We have regular board review courses to prepare you for the rigors of clinical practice and the board exams. You'll have access to a high-volume emergency department that sees over 100,000 visits a year and serves as an adult and pediatric trauma center, a comprehensive stroke center, and a STEMI receiving facility. Our department is staffed by a locally based physicians-owned democratic group practice. This ensures that care decisions are guided by physicians who are directly invested in patient care and outcomes and the well-being of our community.
We're building a truly special program here at St. Joseph's Hospital. Emergency medicine physicians serve as the team leaders for all trauma activations. This gives you direct access to critical trauma cases, ensuring you gain essential hands-on experience.
BayCare Health System is a nonprofit organization dedicated to improving the health of all we serve through community-owned healthcare services that set the standard for high-quality, compassionate care.
If you're looking for a program where you'll be challenged, supported, and thoroughly prepared for a career in emergency medicine, you found your place. I want to personally invite you to apply and become part of an incredible family of emergency medicine professionals who are committed to your success. Join us at BayCare and start your exciting future in emergency medicine.